This video will walk you through how to use the bloomWatch app. When you first open the app, you will see drop-down options that will answer several questions about what cyanobacteria blooms are, and how to identify them. As well as information about how the data you submit will be used. The menu at the top of the screen will allow you to change the display language of bloomWatch. Several additional languages will be added in the future. You will need to put in a username of your choosing and the date that you saw the bloom. The next page will ask you to share your location so you can share the water body the bloom is located in. Allow the app to use your current location, or type in a location into the address field. Then, press within the map and move the center mark into the water body as close as possible to the bloom you observed. After you've placed the location in the water body, you will fill out some general questions about the conditions, including its normal public access, the weather and surface conditions on the day, and the size of the bloom. You can add additional comments that will help detail the circumstances you witnessed the bloom into the text box located at the bottom of the page. Next, move on to uploading the photos. You will want to take 3 photos of the bloom to add to the app. The first photo should show the extent of the bloom, water body wide, including the shoreline if possible. The second photo should be from a standing position, including the shoreline approximately 10 to 30 feet away from the bloom. And finally, photograph a close-up image of the bloom, either from less than 3 feet away, or, if collecting a jar test, use a clear glass container at arm's length, wearing protective waterproof gloves. Before you take the jar test photo, allow the sample to settle for a few minutes to allow the cyanobacteria to float to the top, while green algae settles to the bottom. After a few minutes have passed, take a photo of the container and add it to the app. Select the camera icon to take a photo in the field, or select the folder icon to upload a photo from your phone that you've taken. You can enter additional descriptions of the photos in the text box below each photo. You will repeat this process for the 2 additional photos. When you have finished uploading your 3 photos, move on to the next page and enter your email address if you would like to be contacted with the results of your observation. Press the checkmark at the bottom of the page to submit your photos and data. Even if you do not enter your email, you must press the checkmark to ensure that your photos and data have been uploaded. If a required field was missed, the app will return you to that page before you can complete your submission. Fill in the required field and navigate back to the submission page. When the upload is complete, you will see a thank you confirmation page with the option to visit the HABS dashboard to view more bloomWatch data, as well as a link to begin a new survey. Thank you for using bloomWatch.